The 2013 Kia Forte Coupe. Kia made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features a standard transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Kia infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, turn signal indicator mirrors, and remote keyless entry. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.